In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop getting emails from Temu. If you're tired of your inbox being flooded with promotional emails and notifications, you're in the right place. We'll be walking through the entire process of unsubscribing from Temu's email list, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Temu's website by typing in temu.com in the address bar. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You're going to click on either the Sign In Register button. This will take you to the login page. Next, it's time to log into your account. Enter your usual login details. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's always an option to reset it. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself back on the home page, this time with access to your personal profile. Now, find the icon for your profile, which you can generally spot in the top navigation menu. Click on it and it should bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for something that indicates notifications and give it a click. This section is where you manage how and what kind of communications you receive from Temu. Once inside the notifications page, you'll see several categories. The next focus is our main target, promotions. Click on this section to open up a more detailed view of your promotional settings. Within your promotion settings, you'll notice an edit button, often looking like a small gear or pencil icon depending on the site's layout. Click on this button to bring up your options for editing your preferences, and now we come to the crucial step, turning off those email notifications from Temu. There's usually a toggle switch next to email notifications. You want to flick this off. As simple as that sounds, this action will stop Temu from sending promotional emails your way. You should see an immediate change in the switch, indicating your new preference. Congratulations, you've now successfully opted out of Temu's email notifications. By following these steps, you can ensure a tidier inbox and more peace of mind when it comes to managing your online communications. Thanks for tuning in today, and hopefully this guide has proven to be straightforward and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe if you'd appreciate more content like this. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to tackle in future videos, feel free to let us know. Have a great day.